Introducing the Foot Hub, your convenient podiatry solution. Are you tired of struggling to secure a podiatrist appointment? Living in a regional area with limited access to healthcare services? Look no further. The Foot Hub is here to revolutionize your podiatry experience. With our easy-to-use platform, booking a telehealth podiatry appointment has never been simpler. Say goodbye to long waiting times and hello to same-day appointments. We understand the importance of convenience, especially for those in regional areas, which is why we offer nationwide coverage. Our team of experienced podiatrists is dedicated to providing you with top-notch care from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're dealing with foot pain, need orthotic advice, or simply seeking professional guidance, we've got you covered. Security is our top priority. Rest assured, your telehealth appointment with the Foot Hub is completely secure and confidential. That's where our convenient telehealth appointments come in. Connect with a podiatrist from anywhere in Australia, just as long as you have an internet connection. No more juggling schedules and long waits. Getting started is easy. You'll need a phone, tablet, or computer with a camera. Pretty much any device you already use. You'll just need a free app called Zoom. We've got a simple guide with instructions, but here's how easy it is. On appointment day, open the Zoom app and join the meeting using the link we'll send you. It's that simple. Your podiatrist can discuss your concerns, answer your questions, and provide the expert advice you need. Don't let distance or inconvenience stand in the way of your foot health. Take charge today and book your telehealth appointment with the Foot Hub. For more information on booking your telehealth appointment, visit our website at www.thefoothub.com.au or call us at 02 8096 4763.